back to DVintChea. I'm Marlon, and today I have a winter thrift haul for you guys. Also a try on, that way you guys get to see how the items look on me, and yeah, it just gives you a better picture. I also have a couple of items in there I would consider fall, but I just thought I would throw them in since I got this all together at one thrift store. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is this red shirt. It's a little bit long sleeve, but it lays under your elbow, and it's V-neck. The material is also like thick, warm, but since it's short sleeve, you know, you could wear it out when it's not cold. And what I liked best about this was that it has this pocket on the side, and I just thought that was really cute, and it reminded me of like the 90s. And then I actually, when I saw the tag, it does say it's from 1991, so yeah. Another one that I got, this one's more like a fall kind of jacket, but I guess it can also be worn in winter. I thought it was a bit funny at first, but honestly when I put it on, I thought it was so great. It kind of has like this like curtain fabric, different styles as well, but it's just so nice. And then the back is like what I really like, how it's just like a square, like that's very unique, and I had to get this. It kind of gave me like a Dolce & Gabbana vibe. The next thing is this green corduroy jacket, and it's this really nice green, like it's not too bright or too dark, you know, it's just perfect, and it's in really good condition. I was so surprised to find this because, you know, I don't really find things like this. Just the sleeves were a little bit long, so I just fold those when I wear it. And oh, this stitching is beautiful. It's a nice zigzag. And this one is actually from Old Navy, so yeah, got luck. Is the one that I would say can also go under a fall, but it's this little jacket like thing. It's short sleeve, so it can be worn when it's like more hot, you know. And it has this really cool like stamp pattern on there, all on the bottom and on the pockets and stuff. And it even has shoulder pads of like how vintage this is. So yeah, I don't really like how it makes it look boxy though, so I'm probably just gonna cut those out. And oh, one of my favorite things about this was the back, well, the whole bottom, I guess, has this like cut with a string. When you pull it, you know, it becomes tighter at the bottom, and yeah, very cool. I found another corduroy jacket. This is like a velvet color, kind of purplish maroon, I don't know, maroon probably. And I really liked the sleeves on this one. Like, this is gorgeous. Look at that. It's flared and it has a ton of buttons. Okay, not a ton, like 4, but still, yeah, I just thought it was really nice, and I had to get both of the corduroy jackets. So this next one is another one that I would consider fall. It's this plain brown long sleeve. It's really simple, but I just liked how it said country girl on there, and it was like, it had little jewels. And yeah, I just really don't have a lot of plain things, so I wanted to get this. Also, it's another one that ends at the elbow, and I've been really liking this style lately. If you guys saw, I styled it and posted it on my Instagram. Yeah, you guys should follow me on there. Okay, so this next piece is a main piece of this whole thrift haul. It's a red turtleneck with snowflakes and cute little Yorkies on it. I thought this was so adorable, and honestly I didn't think I was gonna be able to pull it off, but I ended up really liking it, so I'm glad I got it. This is probably my least favorite from the whole haul. It is a jean vest. I thought it would look nice, but I just don't like the patches it has, so I'm thinking I could just take them off and put something else over it. I was really lucky to have found another festive turtleneck. I also really like this one. It's white and it has green Christmas trees on it. The only difference is that this one's a little bit bigger and more loose, but I still like the look of it. I actually hadn't thought about pairing this shirt with these overalls until the try on, but they go really good together. I decided to pick up this next one because I've noticed that this black polka dot mesh is such a big trend right now, and I don't really like the dress so much because it looks girly, and it's really long as well. But I just thought that this would be a really good DIY, and so yeah, if you guys want to see that, you know, just subscribe to my channel and you guys can see me do it later. The last one I want to show you guys is this blue. It's like a teddy bear coat. It's blue and it's like plaid, and then it has like these cool buttons on there. I didn't really like how they're different, so I was thinking I could just paint over them and just give them like cute little designs. So that could be another DIY that I'm gonna be making. And yeah, it's like really warm, but it's not like really thick, so I can wear it like when it's even just a little bit cold, and then just layer it when it gets even colder. So yeah, I hope I didn't forget anything, but if I did, I'll just try to throw those pieces in another thrift haul that I make. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this. Subscribe and tell your friends, and let me know what else you guys want to see, because I really want to make more of what you guys want as well as things that I want. And yeah, just let me know. Welcome back to another episode. Honestly, I feel like I just made this video just so that I could wear this outfit. I don't know. As you can see, I got really into the Christmas spirit, and yeah. I feel like a snowflake.